Did you know that Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in the world? Even older than Rome by centuries? That's just one of the many reasons this city is packed with history, culture, and vibrant energy that you won't find anywhere else. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be sharing 10 must-do things in Lisbon that will have you planning your trip in no time. From stunning viewpoints to historic trams, Lisbon offers something for everyone. But with so much to see and do, it can be overwhelming to decide where to start, especially if it's your first time here. Let's kick things off with a classic tram 28. This iconic yellow tram takes you on a winding journey through Lisbon's oldest and most picturesque neighborhoods, including Alfama and Bairro Alto. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a sightseeing tour in itself, offering a glimpse of the city's soul. Next up, the Tower of Belém, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that once guarded the entrance to Lisbon's harbor. This stunning fortress is not only architecturally breathtaking but also steeped in maritime history. Climb to the top for amazing views over the Tagus River. Another must-see in the Belém district is Jerónimos Monastery. This 16th century marvel is a masterpiece of Manueline architecture and holds the tomb of famous explorer Vasco da Gama. It's a serene and awe-inspiring space that transports you back to Lisbon's golden age of exploration. Alfama, Lisbon's oldest neighborhood, is where you can truly feel the city's history. With its narrow, winding streets, colorful tiles, and hidden courtyards, Alfama is like stepping back in time. It's also the birthplace of fado music, so be sure to catch a live performance at one of the local bars. Lisbon is famous for its miradouros, or viewpoints, and they are absolutely essential for any visit. Miradouro de Santa Catarina and Miradouro da Senhora do Monte offer sweeping views over the red rooftops, the river, and the iconic 25th of April Bridge. These spots are perfect for catching the sunset. You cannot leave Lisbon without trying its most famous treat, pastéis de nata. These creamy custard tarts are legendary, especially from Pastéis de Belém, where the recipe has been a closely guarded secret for over 200 years. One bite, and you'll be hooked. For something a bit more modern, head to LX Factory, a converted industrial complex turned into a creative hub. Here you'll find street art, quirky shops, and some of the trendiest cafes and restaurants in the city. It's a great place to soak up Lisbon's contemporary, artistic vibe. See the city from a different angle by taking a boat ride on the Tagus River. Whether it's a short ferry ride or a sunset cruise, the views of Lisbon's skyline, bridges, and waterfront are simply breathtaking. This is definitely one of the most relaxing and unique ways to explore the city. One of Europe's largest aquariums, the Lisbon Oceanarium, is a fantastic spot for families or anyone interested in marine life. It houses a vast collection of sea creatures, from sharks to penguins and even rare sunfish, a perfect escape if you need a break from sightseeing. Finally, head to Time Out Market for the ultimate food experience in Lisbon. This food hall gathers some of the city's top chefs and eateries under one roof, offering an incredible variety of Portuguese and international cuisine. It's the best way to sample Lisbon's food scene all in one place. From historic monuments to modern artistic spaces, Lisbon is a city that has something for everyone. Whether you're exploring its ancient streets, enjoying the food, or soaking up the views from a Miradouro, Lisbon will captivate you at every turn. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start planning your adventure. Have you been to Lisbon? Share your favorite experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel guides. Also, check out our next video on the top hidden gems in Portugal. You won't want to miss it.